Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to buy cryptocurrency using the Exodus wallet. First, download the Exodus application from their official website, ensuring it is the correct source. Once installed on your desktop or mobile device, open the application and create a new wallet. It is crucial to write down your 12-word recovery phrase immediately and store it in a very safe, private location. This phrase is your only way to restore your funds if you lose access to your device, so keep it absolutely secure. To fund your Exodus wallet, first open the application and go to the Wallet section. Here, you will see a list of various cryptocurrencies. Select the specific asset you want to receive, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, locate and copy your unique receiving address for that chosen cryptocurrency. You can then send funds from another exchange, a different wallet, or a friend directly to this address. Always double-check the address before confirming any transaction. Exodus makes exchanging cryptocurrencies straightforward with its integrated exchange feature. Simply navigate to the Exchange tab within the wallet. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency you currently hold and wish to trade, such as Bitcoin. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive, perhaps Ethereum. The application will display the current exchange rate and any associated fees. Carefully review all the details before confirming your transaction. The exchanged funds will then appear in your wallet. Maintaining the security of your Exodus wallet is paramount. Always ensure your 12-word recovery phrase is backed up in multiple secure, offline locations. Use a strong, unique password for your wallet that is not used anywhere else. Be extremely cautious of any unsolicited messages or links, as these could be phishing attempts designed to steal your funds. Exodus is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you are solely responsible for your assets, so practice good security habits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.